Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's go ahead and practice with a little denim fire roll today, something I've done a couple times over the years. Now, I like to take the denim, rip off a section which will leave all kinds of threads sticking out, and then go ahead and start harvesting those threads. Start taking the 100% cotton denim apart, and I use those threads to fire roll. Boggy Creek Beast has fire rolled it without disassembling, without unweaving denim. But for me, I haven't been able to do that. This is the way I do it. Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. All right, we have pine needles for tinder, and let's tear a piece of this off just to get some threads started. Here's a good spot. That should be enough for a nice fire roll with wood ashes. Any wood ashes will work. And I'll be top boarding it with a piece of white oak. Just a tiny little, maybe quarter teaspoon of ashes is all this is going to need on the inside. We'll have to have some ashes on the outside also, so that the boards can grip the roll. All right. I like to take my time and let the heat drive a lot of the moisture off. Just as long as I have a big enough ember built up in there to sort of maintain itself. As you see, I like to just take my time about getting the flames. A lot of this is steam, and it's good to get it out of there. All right, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.